Hey you, have you ever been through this situation before? If it's not many, at least once. And back again in a new video with Mrs. How To about how to change a flat tire. So, let's see how are we going to change a flat tire together. But before we start, it's the time of our shout-outs. Our shout-outs are from my new subscribers. The first one goes to Moral. The second is Weweed. The third is Christiane. The fourth is Mimi. And we have an Indian subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you want to be in my next shout-out, please subscribe in my channel. Let's get familiar with some of the car tools that we're going to use while we're going to change the flat tire. The first tool is the emergency sign. The second is the car jack. We also have the wrench to loosen the nails. And this is another type of a car jack. So let's put all this in 9 steps. 1. Find a safe place to park. 2. Secure your vehicle. 3. Grab your jack, wrench and tools. 4. Loosen the hug nut slightly before you jack up your car. 5. Lift your car up. 6. Remove the lug nuts and wheel. 7. Remove the flat tire. 8. Put on your spare. And the last one is lower your car. If you really like this content, don't forget to subscribe in this channel. Thank you. See you next time.